welcome back to Vlogmas. I think we're day 5, which is very exciting. So this is one of the first days I'm gonna be filming and then editing within the day. I had my mom here for 4 days, which was so wonderful, but now I'm a little bit behind on content. That's okay because I actually kind of like the idea of, you know, filming and editing all in once. And so today we're gonna clean up the apartment a little bit and then do a bunch of holiday DIYs because I'm trying to finish up all of our decorations for the season. We're actually only gonna be here for, at this point, 2 more weeks, barely. And then we're having like a holiday travel extravaganza to see all of our family. So very excited about that, but also, you know, want to be able to soak in the time that we have at home. And so I'm gonna try and decorate everything today and then like be done with it, because the more I wait to decorate, the less time we're gonna get to enjoy it. So I'm gonna finish up decorating today. Oh, I feel like I need a red lip with this outfit. I might change it. Gonna finish up, actually, you know what? We do. No, so much better, so much better. I like never feel complete without a lip on. I will say, and I think I talk about these probably almost every YouTube video, my favorite lipstick in the land does such a good job of staying even in masks and everything. It's the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. I love to layer lipstick because I like to get a particular color. So I layered these two, which are 2 of my favorites, Ruler and Dancer. They're absolutely fantastic. I wore them on my wedding day, not these colors, but the Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick. Only had to reapply once. It's amazing. So perfect for this time of year. I will say, like, put it on because it is almost like a stain, but not quite a stain. And those can be really drying. I recommend putting it on, letting it dry, and like so that it feels dry. I don't know how to explain it. Put it on, let it dry, and then put chapstick over it. That nice like moisture on top, so that way it doesn't get like crumbly, which sounds gross, but you know, that's what it is. Anyways, all that aside, we are going to finish decorating today, and I have a bunch of Christmas DIY projects that I want to do. So first I have to go to pick up a few things at Target and Michael's, and then we're gonna get to crafting, which I'm really excited about, and I can't wait to see how everything turns out, and I can't wait to take you guys along. Okay, so change of clothes. I got my painting pants on. You can't see, but they're covered in paint because, you know, you gotta have your painting pants because I get stuff everywhere. So all of these have some sort of spot on them that I can't get out. So they're my painting clothes, which actually are like kind of stylish. I also crimped my hair. I guess you could say waved it. I got one of those beach wavers because it was on sale for $13. Thank you to the Sunny SG. Follow her on Instagram, follow her on YouTube. She's so stinking cute. I'll link her in the notes here. She's a big inspiration for me and so stinking cute, and turned me on to this $13 hair waver. I've been wanting one. It also feels so nostalgic because I used to crimp my hair when I was like 12. I've always wished I had wavy hair, but I have really straight hair. So we got a whole costume change, which I love a costume change. And now we're gonna get down to a little Christmas DIY. When we went to Bronner's Christmas store this summer, Robbie and I were really obsessed with the little Christmas villages. Something I never thought I mean, I was obsessed with them when I was a kid, but it was nothing that I thought I would want as an adult, but I'm obsessed with them. However, they are very expensive. So I went to the dollar store. I had no idea they had these there, but they have these little like Christmas village houses. They're not quite my aesthetic, so I'm gonna paint them just like an all over color. So that way they're just gonna be cute. And I got a little church too. Oh my God, they're so cute. They were $1 from the Dollar Tree, $1. So I'm gonna spray paint them. And then I also got from the dollar store these ornaments that are, again, not really in my color scheme, but I knew I was gonna buy spray paint for my little houses, so I'm gonna spray paint these as well. I'm maybe not all of them. I think I'm gonna leave these little white ones. I also like, this is not, doesn't have to be a high quality project, just trying to keep it cheap and cute. And so I went to Michael's and I got some of their smaller spray paints. So this is, what are they called? Shortcuts, which I thought was so cute. I got this kind of seafoamy green, which I thought was I guess it's not seafoam, but you know, like a light teal, which I thought was lovely. And then I got this bright pink, which is fun. And these are like, they're not as big as I want to say they were like $5.99, and I think this was $3. And then I got this fun like metallic-y, it almost looks like a chartreuse. It says yellow, but I think it's more like chartreuse limey green. We'll see how it actually sprays. But I got these 3 because I'm going very much with the, as you can see, my like kind of rainbowy theme, very like retro Christmas. So like those bright pinks, that lime green, the iridescent white, the like tinsel-y silver. So I'm gonna do that. And then I also saw another inspiration from Instagram, as told by Michelle, who she was inspired by Studio DIY on Instagram to wrap her cupboards like presents. So I got this like tulle ribbon because I wanted something that was like a little shiny and not like a crazy expensive ribbon. This was, I think, $3.99. Terrible with prices today, I don't remember. I'll link everything I can in the description. So I'm gonna try this. I might not keep it, I might not do all my cupboards, but I'm gonna at least try, because here's the thing. It's very extra. I have a lot of decorations up, but we live in an apartment, and I feel like having this smaller space, I love to invest in making it as magical as possible. I just think it's really, this is my home, and if I can make my home really magical, why not? And even though it's an apartment and it's a small space, and you know, it may not be a giant house with all these different rooms and spaces to put all these decorations, like, might as well go big in the small space that I have to make it super magical and enjoyable for the time that we're here. So I like to go over the top, and we're going. I'm ready to spray paint. I'm gonna put out all of this stuff on our little balcony. I gotta find my newspaper. But anyways, let's get to spray painting.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him.
Okay, what do we think? I think it's really fun. I do think I should have they're covered in glitter. Robbie, my husband, hates glitter. He's gonna be so annoyed. But it's okay. They're super cute. I think I should have gotten like more of a color, but I think, I don't know. What do you think? I think I'll try it on one more of the cupboards to see if I should do the whole thing. I think I'm only gonna do the top to it. I don't think I'm gonna do the bottom. I think it's fun. I think at night it'll like glow. I think it's really cute. I have to do it before Robbie comes back from the grocery store because he is going to be so annoyed with all the glitter.
Word of the Father, now in flesh appearing. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him.
While I'm letting my spray paint dry, I'm going to make, I forgot to tell you this earlier, I'm going to make a Sherpa pillow. So I saw this adorable Sherpa Christmas tree pillow at Target weeks ago, and it's $20, which is not bad, but I was like, I could totally make that myself since it's literally just like the shape of a Christmas tree. So I made my own. Obviously they're Trader Joe's bags. I can't decide which shape I like better. The like little short nubby guy or like this tall, long, like very Christmas tree-ish looking Christmas tree. So I might try and make both. So I'm gonna use this as a pattern. Then I bought this Sherpa from Hobby Lobby, and I have some filling, I have some stuffing, I have my sewing machine, so it's just gonna be simple, easy. We'll see how it turns out. I always say that whenever I sew. I'm like, oh my gosh, this will be so easy, and then it takes me like 4 hours. So hopefully this will not be the case with this. But it's gonna be so cute. I can't wait to try it.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging, a symbol of goodwill and love. You'll ever be unchanging, each shining light, each silver bell. No one alive spreads cheer so well. Oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging.
Alright, so I think we've pretty much got everything decorated. One of the spray paints that I got didn't really work so well, but that's okay. I've got my ornaments drying. The little houses were really my main event, and they turned out so stinking cute, and I'm so happy. Literally probably cost me $15 total for the whole, project. My little Sherpa pillow is so cute. It's a little derpy. It was harder to sew on than I thought, but so cute and so easy to make. I will link the video that I got instructions from. I'm terrible at following instructions, so I skimmed it and watched it and got the general idea and then made my own. But she has a pattern you can download and all of these much better instructions than I could ever give you. So definitely check that out if you want to do your own Christmas crafts. And thank you guys for decorating with me today, and I'll see you tomorrow.
That's right.